I feel that the PowerPoint presentation is a really a very, very useful tool for teachers for making the, as yesterday Gande sir was talking about, that it is for the benefit of the students. Yes, of course, it is for the benefit of the students, but it also helps the teachers to, organize the way you conduct your sessions and make sure that you don't miss out on important points. Because when you are conducting a session for a very long period of time, say half an hour or 45 minutes, because sometimes the online sessions are for 45 minutes when you will start conducting sessions in schools. I'd request some of you all to please switch on your videos so that I can see your lovely faces. I haven't seen your faces for quite some time now. So some of you all, while we are discussing, once I start my presentation, then those of you who want to keep your videos on, you're most welcome to keep your videos on. But when we are having a discussion, kindly switch on your videos so that, at least I can see your faces and I know that you all are with me and you're not somewhere else. So that's the most important thing. And yes, PowerPoint presentation, as I was talking about, it is a very useful tool and application. And all of you have started using it, and some of you all are doing it very beautifully using mobile. Um, that's all right, Nikita. It's all right. That's why I said only those who are able to switch on their videos, kindly switch on your videos.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, yeah. So without further delay, I will go ahead. I'm going to start sharing my screen. Please let me know because there's quite a lot of things that we are going to cover today. So that's why, is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's visible. Yes, thank you so much. So let me start with the presentation. As you can see on the title slide itself, that there are three title slides on it. Small mini three title slides are there. So that's because we're going to cover all these things. Of course, the first one, you all know that there are the 7 golden rules, which we discussed regarding slide presentation, the micro teaching skill. So, and some of these rules, again, yesterday Gande sir also spoke about many of these rules that were there. And of course, then we are going to learn about how to create a video using PowerPoint presentation. Of course, there are many other apps, there are many other screen recorders that you have that you can use. But then there, even in PowerPoint presentation, you have an opportunity or you have the facility to prepare videos. So I'll be discussing how to prepare videos using versions before 2010 and PowerPoint this is the Microsoft, the Office versions, and also the 2019 versions. Maybe some of you all have got the 365 also. So those of you who have it, you will be able to use, I'll show you both of them so that you'll be able to use it. And of course, very interesting is interactive worksheets using Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So I hope all of you all are with me. Shall I begin? Yes? All right. Great. So we were talking about the 7 golden rules while preparing a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Which were the rules? Do you all remember? One by one, you all can tell me. Do you all remember the rules?
Limited content.
Okay, limited content.
Font size should be between 20 to 30.
Yeah, font size should be between 28 to 44. Okay,
yeah,
right? So that much the font size should be. 44 is for the title fonts, right?
Not
Okay.
more than 30 words should be there.
Yeah, actually, there is this thing, there is they have this rule of thumb, you can say 5 by 5. So there shouldn't be more than 5 points, and per sentence should not be more than 5 words. So this is a kind of a rule of thumb which is there, right? But then sometimes what happens is that in your PowerPoint presentation, sometimes you need to put in the definition. I'll tell you why you need to put in the definition. many a times what happens when students are attending your sessions, and this must have happened to you also, the audio breaks or the internet, the connection is weak. So you cannot hear the teacher speak out the definition. But if the definition is there on the screen, because definition is a very important point. If the student is not able to follow the definition, बाकी का lesson तो गया, कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा, है ना? So जो main जो important points है, even if it is a sentence or even if it is a phrase, वो रहना चाहिए PowerPoint presentation पे. क्योंकि अगर आपको लगा कि ये जो सेंटेंस है या ये जो डेफिनेशन है, इसके बिना स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा, आगे जाके कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा, please put it in your PowerPoint presentation. Again, I would like to say that does not mean कि आप paragraph के paragraph डाल रहे हो. Remember, it is a PowerPoint presentation, not a paragraph presentation. ठीक है? So it has to be in points. It can be in sentences, right? But just keep that in mind. Ki, is there anything that the students need to remember or need to understand, need to see the definition if they are not able to hear? So, dono bhi cheeze you must be prepared. Sometimes the student may not be able to see the slide because of internet connectivity weakness, due to weak internet connectivity, or they may not be able to hear your audio. You should be prepared for both. Okay? So, all right. Any other this thing? Any other points if you all remember?
Ma'am, Vedashri here.
Yes, Vedashri.
First is preparing appropriate background of slide.
Very good. Slide
according to
background.
the age group. Then always use sentence case. We should not use toggled or uppercase or lowercase or mixed case. Then font size. Then selecting images. Agar copyright images have, we can use that, but we should give the credit. Otherwise, we can use free images.
Right. Vedashri, I'm going to show the PPT slide as you are going to say it. Okay. So, right,
Yeah,
slide
sure.
background is correct. Then the next one you said, use sentence case. Very good.
And animation for every sentence and word, we should not do that.
Yes,
it should be used in appropriate manner.
Correct. So, you remember these slides that I showed you? That these.
Yes, ma'am. With sound. Thanks.
Yes, and with sound also, if it comes, then it becomes too much. Remember, I show you this. Correct. So all that is not required, right? Images was the other thing. Yes.
And last one is thank you slide. We should always add thank you slide at the end of our presentation.
Yes, yes. And you remember how to this thing enlarge the images, that you have to drag it diagonally, right?
Yes.
And thank you slide should be there, and you should be careful that there should be no watermarks on the pictures or any items. As you said, no copyright issue should not be there. And of course, the most important is that you should always show in slideshow mode, right? So these were the 7 golden rules. This is just a recap that we did, and we have already seen all these rules. Yes, thank you, Vedashi. So moving on, now we are going to go into actual online education. Now, when we talk about online education, there are 2 ways, there are 2 modes that are there. One is the synchronous. Synchronous means same time. That is the student and the teacher are online same time. अभी जो चल रहा है, अभी इसको हम बोलते हैं synchronous, क्योंकि आप लोग भी students भी online हो और मैं भी online में हूँ. So we both are online at the same time. So remember, S for synchronous, S for same time. So it is as if you all are playing a symphony orchestra, we are all doing it together at the same time. So that is synchronous. Okay. And the other one is asynchronous, at different times. Why is it at different times? Because the teacher and the student are online at different times. So the teacher may prepare some kind of videos or some kind of resources and share it with the students. The students will go online and see the resources, study the resources, but the teacher is not online. So that is asynchronous. So this is the easy way to remember. Synchronous same time, asynchronous at different times. Okay. So I hope that This has become clear to all of you. Yeah. Okay. So we go on to the next. Yes, Meneka has said that no using capital letters. Correct. No paragraphs, only points. Correct. Correct. Yes. Very good. Right. All right. So let's go ahead. We are now going to see how to create a video using Microsoft PowerPoint presentation 2010. Now, the thing is, students, is that I use 2019. So what has happened is I have taken screenshots when I had 2010, as well as, so these are going to be the same kind of, even if you have 2009 version or the older versions, this is going to be similar. This is how you are going to prepare the interface, you know, जो आपको दिखेगा screen पे ऐसा ही दिखेगा. So let's have a look. First of all, what are the steps of making the video? This is what Joshi sir had discussed. What are the steps, students, for making a video?
Script, ma'am.
हाँ, script. Script पे के पहले क्या बनाना है? After you make the script, उसके बाद क्या करना है?
Ma'am, frames, we need to decide.
Yes. Many a times what happens is you can even prepare your PowerPoint presentation in the beginning. And then you prepare the script. What is the script that you want to do of the video, which Joshi sir has already explained to you all very systematically how it can be prepared for every frame and every. I would also mention one thing, that over there, when you are writing about the script, also put the animation ki click when do you need to click, you know, for the next animation. So in the script only, you can put in bracket click. So you know that when you are, suppose you are reading from the script, you know that अच्छा मुझे यहाँ पे click करना है. I find that very convenient when I make my own videos. So I know my script and I also know when to click to give animation for the next effect to come. So in bracket, you can also put click. So it gives you an idea that, okay, now this is where I need to click to go to the next picture or animation, right? Then the third one is record the presentation as a video. And that can be done using PowerPoint presentation. So let's have a look how it can be done. This is what, now when I escape, right? This is how it looks as in a 2010. This many of you all will be having it. So यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है आपको? आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे फाइल है, होम है, इंसर्ट, डिजाइन है, ट्रांजिशंस है, एनिमेशंस है. You have to go to slide show का टैब. दिख रहा है? सबको दिख रहा है ये? I hope it is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. तो ये slide show टैब में you have to go there and you have to come to this. This is record slide. Okay. In record slide, this is the place where you need to click to get the recording of the PPT, right? When you click on that, then you get these two options. Let's have a look at these two options. What are the two options that you get to see? Start recording from the beginning and start recording from the current slide. तो आप जब slide recording record slide का show का आप बटन आप जब क्लिक करोगे, आपको ये दो ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे. ये दोनों ऑप्शंस क्या, what are they talking about? Suppose you have started recording. ठीक है, आपने पहला स्लाइड रिकॉर्ड किया है, सेकंड स्लाइड रिकॉर्ड किया है विथ एनिमेशन, विथ योर वॉइस ओवर. थर्ड स्लाइड में जाके आपने कुछ गड़बड़ कर दिया. ओके, सो यू कैन स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग and you can go back to slide recording. You are still on slide 3. Remember, slide 1, slide 2 खत्म हो गया, वो story खत्म हो गया. अभी जो slide 3, suppose you want to re-record it. ठीक है, तो आपको कुछ नहीं, you have to go back to slide 3, select slide 3, slide record slide का option पे आप click करो and you come to start recording from current slide. Current slide is slide 3. Is it clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you are happy with the first two recordings. First two. So you can record each slide also separately using this the recorder which is there in PowerPoint presentation. So alag sides also you can record it separately. But suppose we are going to start from the very beginning. So you click on this start recording from the beginning. तो ये दोनों options है. Once you click on start recording from the beginning, what do you get? You get this another box, another dialog box opens up. Let's see what this dialog box is telling us. So you select what you want to record. Now this is also very interesting. Suppose you have done the recording, ठीक है, और स्लाइड का एनिमेशन एंड टाइमिंग परफेक्ट आया है, लेकिन आपके वॉइस ओवर में कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया, नरेशन में कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया. So what you can do, you can re-record this slide by only clicking on slide and animation timing, क्योंकि आपका ऑडियो जो भी आपने नरेट किया था वो करेक्ट था. तो ये आप इसको आप हटा दोगे. You will not click, you will not select this. You will select only slide and animation timing and you will record that slide. तो आपका जो ओरिजिनल रिकॉर्डिंग है ना नरेशन का, वो रह जाता है, सिर्फ आपका एनिमेशन का रिकॉर्डिंग होता है. In the same way, so this is regarding, I hope you have understood about slide animation timing. In the same way, suppose slide animation timings बहुत अच्छे से हो गया, लेकिन आपने narration में कुछ गड़बड़ कर दिया. So what you do is that then you will just click on this narration and laser pointer. You can also record your laser pointer. Okay, laser pointer bhi aap. How do you do the laser pointer? You have to press Control and drag your mouse. Dekha how my mouse has turned into, my pointer has turned into a laser pointer. I am just pressing on Control ka key and my pointer has become a laser. Okay, I hope you have understood. So you can even record your laser pointers. Okay, so these are the two things that you can do. But suppose you are starting your recording from the very beginning, then you start recording for both. That is for the laser pointer as well, animation as well as for your narration. इतना समझ में आ गया students? Have you all understood?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
difficulty?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ठीक है. So then you will click on start recording. Start recording click किया तो क्या होता है? What happens is now I want to record this slide. So again you get this small box over here. Now what is this small box over here? Dialog box. यहाँ पे you will see two sets of numbers. What do you think these numbers are, students? क्या
The
समझ?
timing.
Very good. Yes, it is the timing. What are the two sets of timing telling you? ये जो पहला वाला जो बॉक्स है ना, ये टाइमिंग है करंट स्लाइड का कितना रिकॉर्डिंग हुआ है. Now because I have taken a picture, इसीलिए this number is वो दिख रहा है, लेकिन actually it is like a timer. वो जो stop watch का जैसा टाइम होता है ना, it keeps on running. तो वो 32, 33, 34 ऐसा, as you are recording ना, the timing will run. So that means this current slide I have recorded for 32 seconds. And what is this? This is total मैंने कितना तक recording किया है. Because this is my third slide. So I have already recorded first two slides. So 1 minute 57 seconds हो गया. So this timings is also very useful. आपको समझ में आता है कि कितना time हो गया है मेरा recording का. How much time I have already recorded. क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा लंबा videos होता है ना, तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है students को. They are not able to concentrate for a very long time. So try and keep your videos to around 6 minutes, 6 to 8 minutes. You can make parts में videos. Part 1, part 2, part 3. लेकिन उससे ज्यादा ना, try not to go beyond that because students cannot concentrate for more than that because the videos are mostly passive. They are listening to it, they are watching it. They are not doing much of activities. So इसीलिए ना, just keep your videos, it should be crisp, it should be short, but it should have all the information, right? But 6 to 8 minutes is all right for small children. आप लोगों के लिए it is fine longer, but for small children it should be 6 to 8 minutes. उसके बाद this is repeat. Suppose you are not happy with this particular slide का recording. If you click on this, again पूरा re-recording होता है of this particular slide. ठीक है? Then this is pause. Now this I find is very very convenient. कभी कभी while you are recording बाहर से noise आता है, dogs are barking, or you know birds are chirping or something like that, and you don't want it to come into your recording. So you can pause, or maybe you want to sneeze or something like that. So you can pause the recording, finish off whatever, or maybe you have forgotten something, कुछ miss हो गया है आपका, तो आप you can pause the recording and you can again resume the recording once you're ready. And this is to go to the next slide, right? So once you finish recording this slide and the other slides, how do you come to know that slide recording hua hai? At that time, when you go into this is now we are going back into our PowerPoint presentation. Yahan pe, there is, this particular thing, I hope you can see, this is what you use to get into a presentation, start a presentation. And this, what is this, students? Can anybody tell me what is this? What does this signify?
Sorter.
College.
Slide
College
sorter.
में.
Collage or slide sorter, right? Slide sorter where you can see all the slides, है ना? So when you put that slide sorter, आप देखोगे that on every slide there is this speaker. दिख रहा है आपको this icon, speaker icon? This speaker icon means that कुछ recording हुआ है on those slides. Always check whether this speaker icon is there or not. ठीक है? And most important thing is that all these things can be done only if you save your PPT as PPTX. PPTX. That should be the extension. Not only PPT, but PPTX. Then you will get this recording ka facility. Is it clear, students? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I going too fast? Is it
Hello,
is it all
ma'am.
right? Yes.
What is PPTH?
TX. वो जो extension है when you save your PPT. Just a second. I'll try and show you all what I mean. ये देखो ये जो यहाँ पे, can you see my slide? Okay. This is the name of my presentation and it is PPTX, not PPT. अगर आपने, if you save it as PPT, then you will not get this recording का option. So हम जाते हैं ना file, save as करते हैं ना. See, I'll show it to you. File, save as. Suppose now I want to put it on desktop.
Okay,
So this
ma'am.
is when, I think you all have got it na. यहाँ पे you get
Yes,
these
ma'am.
options. What type of file you want to this thing save as. I'm not very sure if it is coming. I think it is coming. Can you all see, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
हाँ?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ये
Yes,
PPT
ma'am.
नहीं करना है. PPT नहीं करना है. You have to save it as PPTX. फिर आपका ये सब recording आएगा. This is very, very important. ये नहीं करते हैं and then confusion हो जाता है कि why isn't it happening? Is this clear, students?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, बोलो ना, पूछो ना, पूछो.
Ma'am, Chitra here.
Yes, Chitra.
Yeah. Ma'am, in this recording, if in that particular slide we have already inserted some audio clip, then will it get recorded or do we have to do something else for that?
No. If there is a audio clip, separate audio clip, you can try it out, Chitra. I have not tried it out with a audio clip. I know that you use audio clips a lot in your this thing.
Yes.
So you can try it out, Chitra. I have not tried. This is what you're talking about is layering, because there is one layer, second layer. I'm not very sure whether PowerPoint is that, the recorder is that advanced to take these two layers, right? But you can try it out, Chitra.
I'll try it out.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay. Right. So then this is regarding the, if anybody doesn't have any doubts, I'll continue. Anything else?
No.
Yeah, okay. So you must be sure that you have these icons, these speaker icons that are there. Then you know that the recording has been done. Somebody's audio is on. I'm not very sure. Could you please mute your audio?
Rupali, Sonone Rupali.
Yes, thank you. Sonone Rupali, can you please mute your audio? Or I could request if Gandhi sir is the host to mute her audio. Okay, I think she has. Okay. So once you have finished doing your, you see that all wo sab icons aa gaya hai. Now you have to save as. So this is the interface that you will see in what I showed you was in 2019 because that's what I use. But in 2010, it looks like this. So it's almost the same thing. You save as, And what do you save as? You have to save it as a WMV, Windows Media Video. That's what you have to save as. If you want to convert your PPTX into a video, you will save it as a WMV file. Till somebody's audio is on. Students, kindly switch off your audios. Rupali Sonavne, Gandhe sir, could you please mute Rupali Sonavne's audio? 87, admission number 87. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Yes. So Windows Media, that is the WMV that you are going to convert it into, right? That's the extension that you are going to use. All right. Let's go ahead. So it's as simple as that. Once you do that, it turns into you can play it with your VLC media player or any video player which is there in your computer, and that's how you prepare your videos. Okay, clear? Any difficulties regarding that? Okay, I think once you start using it, you will understand how it can be done. थोड़ा practice, trial and error करके आ जाता है. It's not that difficult. All right. Okay. Then now I would like to show you that there are certain advanced things that are there in 2019. So I would like to show you some of you all who are using a recent version, even those who are using 365. PowerPoint 365 का जो Microsoft Office का जो version है. In that now, for example, I want to record this slide, which is on buddy system. This is actually something which you all will be studying in second year. Buddy system, it is an inclusive teaching strategy, wherein you have students with all kinds of disabilities as well as new normal students, regular students and students who have challenges. They all come together and they are like buddies, and they interact during extracurricular activities and also during curricular activities. So all types of activities you have the buddy system where they are paired and things like that. Now I want to record this particular these two slides. Okay. Now one thing that you must be very, very careful when you all are recording slides using PowerPoint presentation, and this is one you could say limitation of PowerPoint presentation. See, it records while you are on one slide, then recording stops before it goes to the next slide because it is recording each slide. Remember, I told you, you can record each slide separately. That is why avoid speaking something between transition of two slides. Again, I repeat, avoid saying something between the transition between slide 1 and slide 2. आप जब shift करोगे slide 1 से slide 2 पे, फिर आप at that time ना pause रखिए, कुछ एक pause कीजिए and then again start talking, because it records one slide at a time. So always pause between the slides. ठीक है? So अभी now for example, let's see this. क्या करना पड़ता है? Now this is the slide that I want to record. तो क्या करना है मुझे? First I have to go to slide show. Yes, slide show. Again somebody's audio is on. Whose audio is on? Can somebody please help me out?
23.
Audio is on. Parshuram, yes. Thank you. All right. Where was I? Yes. Okay. So the slideshow. Now, what do you have to do? You have to go to slideshow. You go to slideshow. Then you go to record slideshow. Okay. And then again, same things here. These are the same things. Record from current slide and record from beginning. Same things. You all remember which I showed you in 2010. Same things are there. Abhi, when you do this, what is the thing that you get to see? Again, I have taken a screenshot so that it is easy for you all to, it's easy for you all to understand. Means when I click on record from current slide, this is the recording deck that comes. It's called the recording deck. अभी देखो यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. There are many things that are given over here which can be used. This of course is the recording button. This is to stop recording. This is to replay. वो वाला जो था ना replay, that is again to replay whatever recording that you have done. So that you can do. Look at this. This is so cool. Here you can even have notes. So you can even write down the dialogues that you want to say for that slide. So यहाँ पे notes भी आप रख सकते हो. This is to delete the recording. This is to the settings, sound का settings आप कर सकते हो. You want it loud, this thing, soft. So you can do the sound settings. This is to go to the next slide, this arrow. This left arrow is to go to the previous slide. और यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे also there are lots of things that are there. क्या है यहाँ पे? There's a laser pointer. Let's see. Now this is what slide 16 or 51. There are many slides in this PPT. Yeah. So in that PPT, what it was there. So this is the 16th slide of a PPT which has 51 slides. This is again the timer. This is 0, this 000. This is for this particular slide. And this 4.52 is for all the recordings that has already been done, because 16 slides have already been recorded. So uska recording kitna ho gaya hai. Yahan pe laser hai. You can use a laser. You can also use a pen. Okay, a pen to write something. You can use a highlighter. ये सब recording में आ जाएगा. All these things will get recorded. Highlighter का different colors you can use to highlight different words. Okay. फिर यहाँ पे also this is very interesting. The options. Turn a microphone off. If you want to do recording of only the screen, आपको you don't want your voiceover. You want only the screen to be recorded. So then you can just click on this and only the screen will be recorded. Visual will be recorded. Audio will not be recorded. You can also have your own face ka camera in this thing, in the presentation. यहाँ पे side पे आ जाएगा. You can even position your this thing, your camera, your video where you want while you are speaking. So वो भी हो सकता है. This is not available in 2010, but it is available in 2019, where you can have your own recording, your own video will be there in the side of the PPT. So along with the PPT, students will be able to see you also speaking. So उसका भी recording आप कर सकते हो. And you can also turn the camera preview off. That means I don't want to see my face. मेरा recording होगा, but I don't want to see my face. All right. So camera का आपका video का भी recording हो सकता है, without video का भी recording हो सकता है. These are all the options that are available in Office 2019. Okay. I hope you all have understood this much. Any difficulties, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine, right. Okay. So once you have decided all these things, you have done this thing, then you can go ahead for recording. So let's see how it can be done. So once you're ready with your slides and you have decided what are the options that you want to be clicked, you go on to the record button and you start. Students, can you hear the audio of the video? Yes. Yes. Recording. It gives you a countdown. Hello friends, so we are going to talk about buddy system. Now in the buddy system, buddies can work also during extracurricular activities. So you can have buddies that will be there working together even during picnics or even when they sit together for lunchtime or during the breaks. So the buddies, they look out for each other during extracurricular activities. However, the buddy system is more used during the curricular activities. So you have the buddies who are the normal students or regular students
who are paired up with students having different abilities or the differently abled students. So buddy system is very flexible because it can be used during curricular as well as extracurricular and co-curricular activities. Now, once you are done with the recording, you need to press on stop. When you click on stop, then you will see that you get an icon over here which shows that a recording has been done. You need to exit from the recording. So what you get to see is the recorded slide which has got an icon, that the speaker icon showing that recording has taken place. This icon can be seen in both the previous slide because recording has been taken place and also in the next slide. So let's see how the recording takes place and how it can be, how it sounds. So I select the previous slide and I go on to slideshow. Hello friends, so we are going to talk about buddy system. Now in the buddy system, buddies can work also during extracurricular activities. So you can have buddies that will be there working together even during picnics or even when they sit together for lunchtime or during the breaks. So the buddies, they look out for each other during extracurricular activities. However, the buddy system is more used during the curricular activities. So you have the buddies who are the normal students or regular students who are paired up with students having different abilities.
So I think you all have got an idea of how the recording can be done. Yes. And if you saw that I had taken a pause between the two slides. So you need to remember to take a pause between the two slides. Okay. Any difficulties regarding recording? This is simple recording, which can be done. Yes. Okay. You can try this out at home once once the session is over. You can try it out and see that how you can make these are for simple videos that you can do using Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Now in 2019, it also gives you an option for screen recording, and this is something which Gandesa had mentioned yesterday. So let me again escape and take you out into the slide. Okay. So in this, now suppose I want to record this particular slide. Actually this screen recording option actually insert में आता है, लेकिन for my own convenience I have put it under recording. I have added a tab on my ribbon because I find it very convenient. So in the recording you have this screen recorder. Students, is it visible to you, the screen recording option?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you click on this screen recording option, then you get again a dialog box, which unfortunately again on Zoom is not visible. So again, I have done a combination of this thing. I'll just show it to you how it looks. Okay, this is the slide I want to record. So when I click on that slide recorder, I get this deck over here. ओके ये जो है ना, ये नॉट स्लाइड रिकॉर्डर, सॉरी स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर, ये स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर का डेक है. इसमें क्या क्या है, यहाँ पे आप रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं आपका स्क्रीन, ये आप स्टॉप कर सकते हैं, दिस इज द स्टॉप बटन विच इज देयर, दिस इज सिलेक्ट स्क्रीन एरिया, दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. आप पूरा स्क्रीन आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए, या पार्ट ऑफ द स्क्रीन भी आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो यू डोंट नीड टू सिलेक्ट द एंटायर स्क्रीन. ठीक है, अगर आपको एक छोटा सा पार्ट ऑफ योर स्क्रीन यू वांट टू रिकॉर्ड, वो भी हो सकता है, यू कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो, ओनली दैट पार्ट ऑफ द स्क्रीन विल गेट रिकॉर्डेड. ठीक है, एंड देन हियर इफ यू वांट योर ऑडियो और यू डोंट वांट योर ऑडियो और यू वांट अ पॉइंटर, ये सब सेम थिंग्स, दीज ऑप्शंस आर ऑल अवेलेबल इन द स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर. ठीक है, सो आई हैव डन अ स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, Today we will talk about the buddy system. The buddy system is an inclusive teaching strategy where students with and without challenges work together for co-curricular activities as well as in extracurricular activities. Okay, so this is the video. 1 minute. I want to show you something even very interesting. Were you all able to hear the video, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Now this video can also be, अगर आप format पे जाओ, see you have selected the video, right? You can go to format and you can even crop out part of the video. अभी यहाँ पे कैसा side में black आया है ना, तो I can also crop out. If I select the crop, I can crop the video also. ऐसा करके I can crop the video. Then I can resize the video also. ऐसा करके I can resize the video. Huh? Not only that, I can also put different types of frames to the video. ये सब जो options है ना, उसको circular भी बना सकती हूँ, ऐसा थोड़ा slanting भी बना सकती हूँ. I can have some kind of shadow bit. I'll just reduce the size of the video, then you all will know what I'm trying to say. अगर ऐसा वीडियो है ना, तो you can even put ऐसा shadow भी डाल सकते हो वीडियो को. So different things. The more you play around with PowerPoint, na, the more you will learn about it. So you can do all these things to the video itself. Alag things just to make it more attractive. Something. See, students, the thing is that we must remember one thing is that we are not dealing with students, children who are brought up with textual age. They are the digital age, right? They will get bored if your presentations are very plain. Look at their textbooks. Their textbooks are no longer white pages. Look at the 5th standard, 6th standard English textbooks, language textbooks. They're colored pages. Why are they colored? Because psychology is trying to tell you that it has changed. Children's minds have changed. They are the digital children, right? So they will get these type of things. You look at all Byju's, look at all the education tools that are there. They're not simple ones, right? You're catering to a totally different set of students. They are not like us. We are a past generation. This is the digital age children. Their likes, dislikes are very different. And their things that attract them are very different from the things that used to be attractive towards us. So we need to cater to those children, right? So you can try out all these things, right? So this is regarding the videos, screen recorder. Have you all understood regarding this, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Let's continue. So this was the video. Now, how are you going to save it? There is something also known as PowerPoint show. PowerPoint show is something, it is something like a PPT. Only thing is that when you share it with your students, it directly goes into PowerPoint show. So your students will not be able to change anything. Okay. Because if you share a PPT with your students, okay, they can always go out of the slideshow mode and make changes in your PPT. But if you save your PPT, this I'm not talking about videos, just be sure about it. Please be clear about it. This is regarding your PPT. If you save your PPT as a PowerPoint show, it goes directly into a PowerPoint slideshow. Right? So the students will not be able to do any manipulation with your PPT. But when you are going to save it as a video, right? What was the extension that was used for saving as a video in 2010? Do you all remember?
Ma'am, it was WMV.
Yes, WMV. Okay. So यहाँ पे भी there is this WMV. So you can save it as a WMV file, which is over here, right? So once you save that, then you can also, there is also an option for MPEG-4, that is MP4 file. This is again in 2019. You have these two options, either WMV or MP4 files. Either these two you can convert it. Once you convert that, then you can always share it with your students via email, even on WhatsApp, different kinds of social media. You can share your videos that are there. These are again other ways you can have, these are the different video file extensions, but stick to WMV and your MP4 files. You can have that and you can share it. Now, one more problem that comes up is sometimes आप जब videos बनाते हैं ना वो बहुत बड़ा होता है. It turns out to be very, very big. File size becomes very big. So then it is difficult to send it via email, WhatsApp, and other social media platforms. So there is one very simple and easy free software which is called as Free Video Compressor. The name is also very simple, Free Video Compressor, and it is also simple to use. I will share with you all a video on how to download this software and how to use it. It is very simple to use. Because this is something that teachers were having problem last year also, कि उनके videos बहुत बड़े हो रहे थे. It was turning out to be very large and it would not go because emails and WhatsApp में भी there is कुछ restriction है. You cannot go beyond a particular file size when you want to share. और ये जो free video compressor है ना, the best part of the thing is, although the video does become small, resolution बहुत ज़्यादा, it does not become too pixelated. फट नहीं जाता है, the resolution does not change much. It's pretty good. So I'll share this video link with you all and you all can have a look at it and you all can then compress your videos. ठीक है? इतना समझ में आ गया? Have you all understood? Bombarding हो गया क्या ज़्यादा?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ठीक है? So this was regarding preparing videos, right? So I have shown you both in earlier versions of Office how it can be prepared, and in the latest version also of how you can prepare it, right? I am not very sure about how it is done on the mobile using a PowerPoint presentation. I don't know, maybe Gande sir will be showing it to you all. How it can be done using the mobile, because I'm sure students have prepared videos using PowerPoint presentation last year also on their mobiles. It is possible. So those of you who are using mobiles, I would request you all to just try out. Maybe ye jo, see the what do you say, the commands will be the same, but the interface will be different. In different places you will find it. It will not be in the same place that I showed on the computer. ठीक है? इतना तक समझ में आ गया? All of you all are with me with this, right? Okay, right. Now
Yes,
we
ma'am.
go on to a very, very interesting part, and this is interactive worksheets using PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. We are using PowerPoint presentation for just showing pictures and text and all those things. But how about if we can use it even for our evaluation, when we have the evaluation activity? So it gives it, what happens is when you use these kind of thing, it gives an effect of as if the students are playing games. So they don't feel that they are just asking, it's rather than you just asking questions and they're giving you answers and, becoming monotonous. This is a kind of activity that you can have with them. And so always try and incorporate at least one of these activities in your evaluation. Students really enjoy these type of activities that are there. Okay, so let's have a look at what is there. Now, I'm going to divide these activities into two parts. One is synchronous, that is at the same time. You are conducting an online session, you are online and the students are also online. So what are the things, what are the activities that you can conduct for them, right? So the first thing, this is from your maths textbooks, right? This is, it's a fill in the blank, which is given. So maybe you have discussed about cuboid and about cube, and you want to ask them questions. Now the math students are going to help me out with this, all right? So how are we going to make this interactive? I hope you know how to draw dashes, okay? There is underscore, which is next to the key, 0 key. there is that underscore key. So you have to press shift and you have to press that underscore key. So you'll get a beautiful dash, the blank which is there. Okay, so let's see how it can be done. So this is, I have already prepared it. I have taken a picture of this thing which was available of a cube, and I have put it over here, and these are the questions that I will be asking them. So what I need to do is, first I go into insert, I go into text box. Okay, text box, how many faces, students?
6 faces.
6 pages.
So there are 6 faces. Okay, now this 6 has to match, this font size has to match with this font size, right? So this font size which I have used is 36. So I will go to home. I'm still, I have selected, I go to home, and over here I will say, okay, and I will put this in the center. आ गया? अभी now if I want, I can just shift it around a little bit like this. ये हो गया. So this is my answer. Now I have to give animation to this. So once I put in the text box, I go to animation and fade. Simple वाला animation डालते हैं. ठीक है? Fine. So this is, so what will happen is, students, how many faces? They will answer 6. We will click. The teacher clicks and the answer comes. Again, I will show you how this is to be done. One way of doing it is, what you can do is, you can select this and Control D. Control D किया ना, तो देखो क्या होता है. Not only is the text box, लेकिन उसका animation भी copy हो गया है. So you don't have to give that. Okay, and then you can, even with your up down arrow keys, you can put it. ठीक है? Right? Have you all understood? तो क्या करना है? First जाना, insert में जाना है, text box लेना है, text box पे whatever is the answer, suppose 6 डालना है, फिर इसका you will have to put the correct font size डालना है, 36. What happened? I think I have to select the number. हाँ, चलो, home जाके, then I will select 36. बड़ा हो गया है. Once this is done, center किया मैंने, और फिर I will give animation to it. ठीक है? Animation के लिए यहाँ पे animation जाएंगे and appear या fade, simple. तो वो आ जाए. Okay? So this is how you can, इसको हम delete कर देते हैं. So this is how you can have your the fill in the blanks. You can do it. Okay, slideshow. So you will ask them how many faces does the this thing cube has 6. So then you click. फिर edges in the same answers bold भी कर सकते हो. I think I did not show you all how bold कैसे किया. ये जो 6 इसको you can go to home bold also. You can change the color. भी change कर सकते हो, different colors from thing. Alright. I'm going to name some things and you're
Red color.
see an apple.
Okay, okay. Sure. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
then
ma'am.
you
Thank
can just match it.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, all right. Shall we go ahead with?
सुनंदा,
Yes, yes,
excuse me.
yes, ma'am.
सर म्हणले रेकॉर्डिंग चालू आहे.
But then it's fine. So I'll continue. ठीक है.
Okay.
All right. I'll current slide. Right. Okay. So this is done. So I hope you all have understood this one, these students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Now we
you.
go on to the next one. Okay. Now next one, what I have done is that I have inserted a 3D object. So you will see that the student, and it becomes very clear to the students, right? Cube के बारे में, because the dice is the best way to understand a cube. Because dice पे सब numbers लिखा रहता है. Now where did I get this dice? Again in 2019, you have something which is called as insert, and you have 3D models. Can you all see this, students? 3D models. So यहाँ पे 3D models in this device, you have a, I'm so sorry. Yeah. So there are 3D models that are available in 2019 as well as in 365. You can also get GIFs, students, GIFs. You can also insert GIFs. So यहाँ पे actually there's a lot. I mean, for science students, it's amazing. You know, it's got anatomy and lots of science. This thing that there are animals and all that. I'm not going to open these because it takes a very long time for them to download. Because yeah, because they're very high in graphics. Because 3D है ना, तो इसलिए it takes a little time to this thing. But those of you who have this version, have a look at it. It's very nice. So you can insert such kind of images, and it becomes much more clearer to the students. Okay, right. So they look at the dice, and then after that you can take the activity and ask them how many faces and how many edges. One by one also the question can come. This is animation. You can give animation to each of the questions as it comes, right? So this was regarding mathematics. Now another mathematics things, this is something which is also very, can be used for all subjects actually. When you go on to the textbooks, the eBalbharti textbooks, you may have these kind of activities that are there. I'm sure you know how to take screenshots from your laptops or your mobiles. Okay. So if you have opened up a page, eBalbharti ka page, okay, you can take a screenshot of that, crop it and put it on your PowerPoint presentation. Got it? Yes. And then, or you can also get images. If you search for images on images, you know, worksheets, eBalbharti worksheets, वहां पे भी आपको मिल जाएंगे ऐसे images. So what is this? यहाँ पे लिखा है, write the number of faces, edges, vertices of each shape in the table. Now यहाँ पे in this, I'll just go out of this thing, slideshow mode. यहाँ पे all the answers are already given. Huh? So what can be done for this? We will hide all the answers. And it will appear when the students give the answer. ये उल्टा होगा अभी. वहां पे क्या कर रहे थे हम? वहां पे हम आंसर्स लिख रहे थे. We were giving entry animation. यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे insert करेंगे and we will go to shapes. We will pick up this which is known as the rectangle and इसको हम cover करते हैं. We will cover this. Got it, students? I have covered this. Now what will I do? I will right click. I have to change. अभी ये blue color का है. I want to change it. तो इसको हम right click कर सकते हैं and यहाँ पे देखो fill shape में white कर देंगे and outline में no outline. Cover हो गया, right? Okay. तो इसको हम अभी now what will we do to this? We will give animation. Not appear but exit. उसको निकलना है. White वाला box has to disappear. So we will select यहाँ पे more exit effects. दिखा? More exit effects because this is what these are entrance. We don't want the box to enter. We want the box to disappear. ये emphasis है. And this is more exit effect. Simple वाला ले लेते हैं disappear. ठीक है? Okay किया? तो क्या होता है? When I put on the this thing, sorry, let's see what happens. So wo answer is covered. You ask the question to the students. Cylinder has how many faces? The minute they give that answer, somebody's audio is on. Please, if you all can mute your audio. Please, students.
Gauri ma'am.
Oh, Gauri ma'am, kindly. I'm so sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Right. Okay. Yes. All right. Thank you. So this box is over there. So click किया तो ये देखो box निकल गया. And the answer comes. Did you all get it? फिर से I will show you all once more again how to do it. You go to insert, shape पे जाओ, rectangle ले लो, cover the rectangle. Cover this area, cover the answer. यहाँ पे there is also format. I had shown you by right click ना, but format पे जाके भी you can also put this thing white color and shape outline, no outline. Box ready हो गया. अभी इसको animation देना है. कौन सा animation देना है इसको? Disappear. यानी कि exit. Correct. Very good. Exit animation देना है. And that is disappear, dissolve out. You can put different animation. ये ऐसा करके हो गया. अभी once this is done ना students, इसी को you can control D करोगे ना तो duplicate हो जाएगा and just position it. Control D. So every time you don't have to put. Again control D. किया तो you can even cover up this cone. ऐसा करके पूरा cover भी कर सकते हो. Like this way. हाँ. So ऐसा करके let's see the slideshow. So एक एक करके it will come, the answer will come. Okay, I have prepared the next slide. ये देखो ऐसा किया है. I have covered up everything. Can you see it? Only the first shape is available, is seen. And as the students give the answer one by one, it will come. ऐसा करके करके. So it can be a very interactive session with the students. They'll give you, it's like a question answer kind of thing. Got it? Now this disappear, this exit animation can be given for maps. Map hai, map ko cover kar do with all this thing, and then you ask them one by one which places ka one करके उन लोग answer देंगे and you will show them एक एक करके. ठीक है. Only thing you must remember कि कौन सा, which is the first one, which is the second one, which is the third one. Okay, so that click करोगे and something else will appear, वैसा नहीं होगा. That also I will show you how it can be done. Suppose they recognize North America first, तो वो वैसा भी कर सकते हैं. वो आगे जाके हम सीखेंगे. ये समझ में आ गया? right? This also can be done. This is again a diagram. Any labeled diagram, you can use the disappear ka animation. Any labeled diagram you will get on Google Images. वहां पे भी you will see, you will find this thing. वो थोड़ा देख लेना, copyright issue वो सब नहीं होना चाहिए. And those images when you get, so what do you have to do? You just have to cover the this thing. You have to cover the labels, and as they tell you one by one, this is the crust, this is the mantle, outer core, inner core. ठीक है? So ऐसा करके any diagram, science का भी flower, parts of the flower, parts of the leaf, ऐसा करके you can teach also. While teaching also you can use it, and even while asking questions also. Teaching के time पे भी आप कर सकते हो कि one by one you are talking about each part. Okay, so ऐसा करके you can do with diagrams. Now look at this one. This is also very nice. This is also a 3D this thing which is available in those 3D models. So it's so beautiful, isn't it? It's the 3D image of the earth and the crust. This again, you can do it in a different manner. One more thing that you can do, again in shapes, you can have a call out. ऐसा call out. Can you see call outs?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So speech bubble rectangle. So ऐसा करके एक call out, you can have a call out button like this, and you can put it on this. What is this, students? What is this?
Call out dialog box type.
Yeah, but
this is crust. Sorry.
yeah, it is crust. Okay. अभी ये font बहुत छोटा है, छोटा दिख रहा है. So we can put it as 36 font size कर सकते हैं. Then if we want, we can also change the correct color. Format में जाओ, shape color shape में जाओ, और उसको एक अच्छा सा एक green color डाल दिया. Then इसका outline ऐसा करके डाल दिया. So now our shape is ready. Next, what is to be done, students? What's the next thing to be done?
Disappear.
Animation. इसको disappear करना है कि appear करना है?
Ma'am,
Appear करो.
Appear.
इसका entrance होगा, correct? So animation में जाके we can have wipe कर सकते हो. Okay, so it will come as wipe. Instead of this way, we can put it this way. ठीक है? So in the same way, call out buttons, I think you all have understood how to do it. इसको मैं Control D करती हूँ. What is the next layer, students?
mantle.
हाँ, very good. So इसका mantle, right? ठीक है? और ये देखो, इसका animation has already come in because मैंने Control D किया है. I have duplicated the shape. ठीक है? So let's see what happens. From current slide. तो पहले ये घूमेगा. बच्चे एकदम, they'll be amazed to see it, and then after that, one by one, you either when you are explaining or you are asking. So ऐसा करके the next slide I have put in the other two also. So ऐसा करके you can also have it in this manner. ठीक है? So this is one way of doing it. Now history वाले. Okay, they'll be saying that मैम ने history के बारे में नहीं बताया. History के लिए you may have even multiple choice. Actually, multiple choice questions will be in all the subjects. So how can we do multiple choice questions का कैसे कर सकते हैं? History वाले students, what is the answer to this? Shrenis were associations of anybody? Rulers, craftsperson, farmers or herders? कौन थे? Anybody? Herder. Yes, they were craftspersons. Okay, so now what we will do is that अभी ये यहाँ पे we have to put in, this is the answer, correct answer. There are different ways. It depends upon you. आपको कैसा करना है? One way of doing it is that again we need to select a shape, right? So shape पे गए, look over here, there is something which is called as a circle hollow. It is also called as in some versions it's called a donut. Okay, so this is the circle hollow. Circle hollow click kiya, and I will put it around this crafts person. Can you see this yellow circle over here, students? It's called the driver.
Yes, ma'am.
With that, I can make this thing narrow. ठीक है? And then I can position it. थोड़ा अच्छे से उसको position किया. I can put it like this way. Or I can also put it like this way. कि पूरा का पूरा आ गया. It depends upon you, whatever you want. इसको थोड़ा कलर देते हैं, फॉर्मेट में जा सकते हैं. लेट्स पुट इट इन रेड कलर. इसको शेप नो आउटलाइन करते हैं. दिस इज डन. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट स्टूडेंट्स? एनिमेशन. वेरी गुड. अपीयर एनिमेशन. तो यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा लेट्स डू समथिंग डिफरेंट. वी विल यूज द व्हील एनिमेशन. सो सी इट कम्स लाइक दिस वे. ठीक है? एंड इसको ना थोड़ा फास्ट कर देते हैं so that it comes faster. ठीक है? So now let's see what happens. Let's go to slideshow. So you ask the students which is the correct answer. Okay, Shreni's were associations of, and when they give the correct answer, you click and it comes like this way. So there are different, you can also put a frame around it. You can put a circle around it. You can also put a tick mark, students. There is also वो insert symbol करके tick mark भी आप लगा सकते हो. You can do that also, right? So there are different ways. It depends upon you how you want to do it. तो ये गया आपका history का. Okay, let's go on to the next slide. Sorry, yes. Fill in, this is match the following. ठीक है? This is match the following. Match the following again is there in many, in all subjects. Match the following. I want you all to pay attention to the format of match the following, students. Please pay attention to it. देखो कैसा है. First of all, there are two columns. One is column A and column B. Second thing, under column A, they are written as 1, 2, 3, 4. And under column B, it is A, B, C, D, E. They are two different. If you're putting 1, 2, 3, 4 here, please do not put 1, 2, 3, 4 here also. It should be different. And in column B, you should always put one additional one. Why is one additional one put? One additional answer. क्यों डालते हैं हम?
Ma'am, because वो last वाला then they get automatically know if it is equal.
हाँ, so वो it is guesswork का जैसा हो जाता है ना. वो what is it called?
Confuse them.
To confuse them. No, it is called as something ना, where one is law of कुछ elimination or something it is called है ना. These things are then the only one is left and that is the correct answer. वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. So they should have two answers should be there, and at least they should know what is the correct one. Okay, so this is how you should be the format of your match the following. चलो देखते हैं match the following का कैसे कर सकते हैं. Let's go escape करते हैं. Now we have to insert. Insert पे जाके we go to shapes, and can you see this line? Yes, students. So we select this line. So kharif crops ka what is the correct answer?
Paddy and maize.
Very good.
Paddy and maize.
Very good. Yes, paddy and maize. So we will draw a line like this way. अभी ये line एकदम पतला है. You cannot see it. Correct? So we go to format. और ये देखो यहाँ पे you will get ready-made lines are there. Okay. So let's take this orange one which looks nice. Line आ गया है. अभी what is the next thing to do? Animation. Animation में जाएंगे. Correct. Animation में जाएंगे and wipe animation देते हैं. And let's go from top to bottom. हो गया. This animation is done. So one thing is ready. Let's see one more. Rabi crop क्या है? What is Rabi crop?
Wheat.
Yeah, I'm doing the same. Yeah, I'm doing the same steps again. Okay. So we go to insert shapes. We go take up line. Rabi crops, say we go to wheat, gram P. Okay, go to format. यहाँ पे there are you students, if you don't get this ready-made thing, you can also go on to this shape outline जो है ना, वहाँ पे you can get weights, different weights. That means it will increase the weight. I don't know whether you can see. थोड़ा सा, can you see the blue line becoming thicker and thinner? पीछे वो C के पास. Can you see it happening? So this is to control the thickness. You can keep changing. All right? वैसा करके भी कर सकते हो. And then you go into animation. This thing is done. The shape is ready, and you can go to Y and from top. Understood? For the next ones, you can just duplicate. You just duplicate the slides, right? Okay. Slide show from current slide. So वो आप एक एक करके पूछोगे, they will give you the correct answers, and I've done it for the other two also. ठीक है? Clear, students? So you can do this for match the columns. ज़्यादा heavy हो रहा है?
No, ma'am.
हाँ, ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Fine. Right. Now, all these things is when you are conducting sessions with your students. Okay. Now, many a times you are going to just send PPT, PowerPoint presentation. Videos तो आप भेजोगे ही, but sometimes PowerPoint presentations also you can send them. And these PowerPoint presentations can also be interactive. Of course, remember that we are not converting them into videos. These are actual PowerPoint presentations that we are sending. So that can be sent as PPS. Okay. So those are they go into direct shows, PowerPoint shows, where the students cannot make any changes. So asynchronous is when you are not there and the students are going to watch your PPTs and they are going to learn. So in that case, now look at this. Okay, science ka hai. These are the different organs that are there. Again, this is a 3D. Okay. And then you see these hands appearing. Now, the student, suppose the student already knows about the heart, wants to know more about the brain. He can go and select. And if he clicks, only the brain ka text will come. Then he wants to know more about the spinal cord. वहाँ पे click किया तो spinal cord का है. Now he wants to, अच्छा ठीक है, देख ही लेते हैं हार्ट के बारे में क्या लिखा है. So he goes and he clicks. So the student has the choice to click and get the information. Are you all getting it? It is not according to pre-decided by the teacher. Here the student will decide, I want to see about this or I want to see about this other thing. Students, I hope you are getting the difference. Yes, ma'am. हाँ, इसके पहले जो होते हैं ना, वहाँ पे, like for example, now if I click on this, it will also disappear. The text boxes will disappear. Okay, so we will see how this can be done. We'll go to the next slide. I will take, for example, history students. What is this? Which animal is this?
Mammoth.
Mammoth.
Yes,
Elephant.
right.
Mammoth.
This is a mammoth. Yeah, it's not an elephant. It's a mammoth because it's a prehistoric animal, right? So when the students will click on it, ये देखो कितना अच्छा, it goes round. तो पूरा दिखता है that how big the mammoth is, and a hand appears. Okay, when the hand appears, when the student clicks on the hand, then the mammoth ka detail will come below. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to, we learn how this particular slide is made. Then you can make multiple pictures का slide. जैसे वो this thing, वो जो organs वाला था. So let's have a look at this. कैसे करके करना है? Let's go to that slide. So इसमें now what are the things that you need to, just a second students. Yeah. So these, what are the things that you need to have on this slide? पहले तो ये हिस्ट्री का बॉक्स आप लिखोगे, whatever is the subject that will be there. This is again, can you tell me from where did I get this 3D model?
Ma'am,
Do you all
3D
remember?
shapes.
हाँ 3D, and वो कहाँ पे मिलता है? Where is it? Under which tab?
Ma'am, insert.
हाँ insert में and 3D models. Okay, under the animals you can get this woolly mammoth is there. So you will download that, you will put it over here, and you will also prepare the text box. ये text box आप type करके whatever things. So these three elements, these are the three elements of the slide. ये पहले से बना के रखना है. अभी the next thing which we are going to do is, first thing is इसको घुमाना है. The mammoth has to rotate. So we click on the mammoth, we go on to animation. Okay, because it is a 3D model, that is why उसका animation थोड़ा अलग है. This is turnable. Okay, turnable है. But when you will see the turnable animation, बहुत slow है. He's moving very, very slowly. So can you see over here duration? Students, is it visible? Duration?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you can change the duration. इसको 4 seconds कर देते हैं. All right. So he will turn a little faster. Let's do one thing. Let me put up the animation pane. फिर आपको it will be more visible.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, it turns when we click.
Yes. Because ये देखो on click है ना?
Okay.
One लिखा है means what? It is on click. देखो देखते हैं. We'll see over here.
Yes, ma'am.
See यहाँ पे start on click. And if you click start with previous, then you don't have to click, automatically भी वो घूमेगा. The minute you put on the slide.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है. And start after previous is, suppose you have given animation to something, suppose you have given animation to that history का text box. तो वो history का text box दिखेगा और उसके बाद the mammoth will turn around. So start after previous. Got it? ठीक है? So this is the woolly mammoth हो गया. Now we have to put that hand which comes. So what do? We go to insert. यहाँ पे है icons. If you don't have icons, you can also put any shape. You can put a circle or you can put a triangle, any shape you can put. यहाँ पे let us search for hand. Excuse me. We select this. Okay. And we insert. Now this hand is black in color. So we will format this hand. इसको हम white कर देते हैं. And थोड़ा छोटा कर देते हैं. And we will. Understood how to get the hand? Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now this hand will appear. तो इसको animation देना है. So we go to animation and it will fade भी हो सकता है. And this will be after previous. So the mammoth will turn around and then automatically this finger will come. Okay. So the student knows that you have to click here. Now, once this is done, now the next thing that we have to give animation to this box. Means what? When the student will click on this hand, this text box will come. Huh? So we have to trigger this text box with this hand. इसको link करना है. ये जो animation है for this text box has to be linked with the hand. So कैसे करेंगे? First we select the text box, animation देते हैं. Let's put fade in animation also of the text box, but it will be trigger. There will be a trigger. Now there is a way of doing it from here also, but many of you all अभी देखो ठीक है. Trigger on click of ये देखो क्या क्या चीजें हैं. Title यानी कि history वाला title है. Rectangle वाला जो है that is the text box. 3D model जो है that is the mammoth, and graphic 3 is the finger. So we are going to link this text box with the graphic 3, that finger trigger. Means when the student will click on that hand, this text box will come. Students, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? अभी I'm going to show another way of doing it because this might not be available in your version. So remember we are giving animation to this text box. तो text box के वहाँ पे क्या करना है? Effects options में जाना है. This is available in all the versions. Effects options में जाके you go to timing. Timing में can you see this trigger?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is there in all the versions, all previous versions of of Office. Start effect on the click of. We don't want history ka slide. We don't want the this thing. We don't want the graphic and all that. We want the rectangle. Woolly mammoth. देखा ना? तो इसको ऐसा click करना है, OK करना है. Okay? ठीक है? So can you see this icon which is come? It looks like a small lightning. That is a trigger icon. Got it, students? Okay. So let's see then. Slideshow. So first thing, what will happen? ये घूमेगा. So that hand will appear, and when the student will go and click on the hand, sorry, just a second, क्या हुआ? It did not take place. Oh, I'm sorry.
Ma'am, actually you did it
with yes, the text box.
Wala.
I'm sorry. I have to do it with the hand.
Graphic.
Right.
Graphic.
नहीं.
Ma'am, with graphic 3.
रुको. Yes. This will not be. Wait. Yeah, let's see now. So the what is happening?
Ma'am, you have chosen a different
one, no? Right.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to remove the effect given to
Yes.
the...
Correct. Just a second. I'm so sorry for the confusion.
Remove that trigger.
Yes.
The triggers.
I'll remove both the triggers. Yeah. So we will give animation to this. नहीं, इसको भी animation देना पड़ेगा पहले. Animation. This will fade. And this will be with previous. And then इसका जो है, this will also be animation. This will be fade. And okay, now let's see. So first thing that right, and yes. Is that all right, students?
Yes,
I hope you all have understood. I'm sorry I botched it up a little bit. But yes, you have to give the trigger thing. You have to select this and you have to trigger it with the hand, right? The hand has to be triggered. Triggered option will be with it. So that is the same way in which we have done the next one. All right, let's go on to the slideshow. Slide. Yeah. So this is how it goes around like this way, and the fingers come, and of course the triggers are given to the with the graphics. The boxes are triggered with the graphics, and that's how you get it. Okay. Now there is a simpler way. There is another way of doing it, and I think yesterday somebody was asking about hyperlink. Yes. So
yes, ma'am.
yeah, hyperlink can also be done. Okay. All right. Somebody's audio is on. All right. Let me show you the
67, please mute your mic.
Sadhu Nilanga.
All right. Okay. Yes, students, is my this thing visible? Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now there are two pictures. Yeah, there are two pictures which are there. And if you see on my on the slide sorter on the left hand side, you will see that the description about the first pictures on the next slide, and the description. Which are these animals?
Ma'am, prehistoric animals.
Yeah, but which of them are they?
Saber-tooth tiger and mammoth, woolly mammoth.
Very good. Yes, saber-tooth tiger and the woolly mammoth. Right. So now what happens is, if the student goes to the next slide, he will go directly into woolly mammoth. But what if he wants to know more about saber-tooth? Then what can be done? Of course, we can have the we can have a trigger animation with the box and all those things. But suppose there's a lot of text that are there. Let's see. The next one has got, देखो बहुत सारा text है. So you cannot have this text in this same slide. So you will have to have it on a separate slide. And this is the next slide about the saber-toothed tiger. I want to link this picture to slide number 57. So that if the student clicks on this picture, then they will go directly to the slide number 57 and can skip hyperlink. Correct. So what will I do? I will first इसको click करूंगी, picture को click कर सकते हैं, or you can also do one thing, you can insert a shape. You can insert a shape so that the students also know that कुछ कर सकते हैं. चलो एक star लगाते हैं. Let's put a star over here. Okay. So we put a star. Format में जाते हैं. Let's put a nice color to it. Let's make it nice and yellow. इसको no outline करते हैं. थोड़ा effect shapes देते हैं. Let's make it a little 3D. Yeah, it looks nice, no? Yeah. Okay. So now this shape is ready. अभी इसको hyperlink करते हैं. इसको how do we do a hyperlink? Again इसको right click करो. Put right click. Then hyperlink. Can you see hyperlink, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, hyperlink kiya. Now you have all these options that are there. Existing file or web page, place in the document, create new document, email address. Now we want place in this document because the slide on saber-tooth is in this document, the PPT. ये देखो यहाँ पे पूरे all the slides के descriptions आ गए. Can you see all my slides? Whatever we have done, सब आ गए. Now where is the saber-tooth का description?
57.
That is coming. Correct. Very good. So let's click on 57. That is the saber-tooth का thing. और इसको OK करते हैं. Right? Now, how do you know that hyperlinking is done? Can you see if I click over when I bring my cursor over there? It comes, control plus click to follow the link. यानी कि link लग गया है. उस पे link आ गया है. So let's have a look. Slideshow देखते हैं. From current slide देखते हैं. So this is the slide that the student is seeing and wants to know more about. Doesn't want to know more about this thing because देखो if they click, all right, if they click, they are going to go to the next slide. That is woolly mammoth. वो automatically जाएगा. But what if they want to know about the saber-tooth tiger? So they will come over. Can you see that the cursor is turned into a hand?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you click on that and it goes directly to saber-tooth tiger. ठीक है? अभी यहाँ पे you will see I have put another hand over here. Can you see, students? Why do you think I have put another shape hand over here, students?
And maybe to return to the earlier.
Very good. To return to the picture, to the slide which has got all the pictures. It's like the content slide. You could have 4 pictures on that slide. Okay, and the student can select which one they want. तो अभी इसको hyperlink करना है, ये shape को hyperlink करना है. Who's going to guide me how to do the hyperlink? Who will guide me?
Ma'am, may I try?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, right click.
Who's this?
Ma'am, Pallavi.
Pallavi, chalo, right click.
Yes.
Then
we select hyperlink.
Very good.
Then place
in
the document
document
is already there, and then our slide, which is 55.
Very good.
Going
Simple
back
hai
to
na?
52. Yes, ma'am.
And okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ho gaya. So then what happens is, let's go back, slideshow from current slide. So ये सब हो गया, he has read it, he's seen the picture saying, oh, how beautiful, very nice. वो सब हो जाने के बाद, he clicks, the student clicks, and we are back to the previous slide. Okay, so like this way you can use hyperlinks, where then the students will be, they'll be more active. Even if they are watching your ready-made PPTs, they will still be more active and they will be able to be more attentive to whatever PPT that you have given. So this is regarding hyperlink. Now I want to just show you all, I know there is hardly not much time left. I'm almost at the end of the presentation. Gauri ma'am will be discussing with you all how to prepare beautiful graphic organizers or diagrams. You know, there are different types of charts that are there. I want to share with you all this thing which is known as a concept map. And this can be used for evaluation by you all for any subject. So suppose there is a concept or a word which is there. You first ask them for their definition of it. You can also give this kind of chart for their homework. Okay. Then what is a synonym or a word which is similar to that? What is an antonym? What is opposite of it? And also maybe the word or the concept in a particular sentence, right? This can be for language also, right? So this is known as a word a concept map. To make it even more interesting, you can also make it a little bit more interesting, wherein you have the meaning, synonym, antonym, word and sentence, figure of speech, or even draw a picture. So if the students are interested in drawing, they can also draw a picture. This can also be a diagram for science also, maybe a small diagram of that particular image, you know. So these kind of homeworks is much more interesting rather than learn up questions from chapter so and so and things, you know, write down the answers and all those things. Make it something interesting, make it something which they can, you know, feel that it is a kind of a games or some activities that are there. All right. Furthermore, there is also a word maze which can be done again using trigger option. Like suppose you want them to identify the words. You tell them that these are called as rows. So this is row with all the horizontal lines are called rows and the vertical lines are called columns. So this is row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can anybody identify any of the words and tell me which column and which row it is in?
Diagonal.
Apple, ma'am.
Diagonal.
Where is
Pen.
apple? Diagonal.
Pen.
Okay, first let's see apple. Okay, diagonal. So I'm clicking on apple and this thing comes. Okay, you all now know how to make these frames. I've shown you all how to make the frames also. Okay, yes. Somebody said pen. Where is pen?
Second row.
Second row.
Second row. So you click on pen and it comes. Then
And
Wall.
wall is where? Where is
Second
wall?
column.
Second last.
Second column.
Second last.
Second last, correct. And what is the other one?
Second column.
Second
Column.
Second column. Yes, yes. So you can click on.
Yeah.
So this is a word maze where the thing, I'll again share a link of this video, how to prepare a word maze. I don't have the time to show it to you all, and I think बहुत हो गया आप लोगों का. Since 1:30 I've been eating your heads. So, so y'all can see that video, have a look at it, and try and come up with all these activities, you know, which can be interactive for the students. It's fun for them also. They really enjoy. That's what we saw last year. We have experienced it, you know, when rather than evaluations of questions, pucha, of course you ask them questions, but also try and incorporate some of these activities that will come under your application ka skill bhi aa jayega aap logon ka when they do all these kind of activities that are there. So these are the references. You can use these websites for images, free images. यहाँ पे you will get copyright free images that are there. So you can have a look at these images that are there. Pinterest is also a wonderful, this is one of my favorite, even Gauri ma'am uses it a lot. You can get very nice pictures, ideas, even worksheets. Very nice worksheets are there. They're all free, but please download them. Don't copy them, because if you copy them, you don't understand if they are paid or not. Some of them are paid. So the minute you select download, they will tell you whether to pay or not. If they ask you to pay, that means it is not free. So if they ask you to pay, then if it is free, then they will not ask you to pay. So you can easily use, lovely worksheets are there, and then you can use those disappearing animations to and appearing animations to use those worksheets that are there. So this is all that I wanted to share with all of you regarding PowerPoint presentation. All the best. I wish you good luck. And if you all have any questions or even ideas, most welcome to share.